Okay, so when I click on the real system environment or the sample database, it asks me to log in with the username and a password. We have another option with the user code it can log in. Another option is a swipe card which can be integrated with eZee Burrp. And the fourth option is the fingerprint reader.
No, it's not triste on la pantalla y caen
So
that's nonsense. Anyway,
so you can
go
log
ahead.
in.
Go ahead.
Okay, you can log in with the multiple things like a username and a password, user code, swipe card, or a fingerprint. Right. So I'll just go with the username and password. When I click on login screen, it shows me my shift information, the start time and the date, and the balance amount in my cash drawer will be showing here for that particular shift.
That is so long as a day close operation was not performed.
Yes, the day close was not performed because it is showing me 1855 days. I'll select the outlet. You can create multiple outlet in one POS. Suppose if one property have 3 outlet, so you can create multiple outlet and you can select the outlet while login.
Yeah, that's you check.
Once I select the outlet, it shows me this screen: dining, takeaway, delivery, room service, no charges, and advance order. I'll go with the dine-in first. When I click on dine-in, it will show me the tables, and at the down I have created some rooms like main bar, pool bar, veranda. Like some property have different locations at one place only, but they have only one billing system on the property, so they can select the rooms from here. So I'll go with the table number 2, B2. I'll select the waiter. I'll select I'll type the guest name. Right, and how many adults are there, I'll type that. If I want to type any remark like the guest says that don't cook a spicy food or anything, I can update the remark here. If the guest is senior citizen, I can type the senior citizen number. Some countries have that senior citizenship discount in the restaurant. I'll click on finish. So my order info page is there. Okay, new KOT. So I'll select menu item. And I'll click on print and finish. So my KOT will be printed in the kitchen area or the printer which is configured on the machine. And if I want to edit the KOT, I'll just double click on that table. I can edit that KOT by clicking edit. If I want to remove some item, I'll just select that item and I'll click on this, and I need to type the reason. And finish. So my one item will be removed from the KOT. I click on finish again. Are you able to hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Ronnie is a little bit busy, but I'm hearing. So maybe you have to repeat for him again when he comes back.
I'll be sharing this video once the training is finished, so you can show this video to him and it will be done, because it will take more time if I'll repeat again and again.
Okay.
Okay, so I can edit the KOT. If I want to make a new KOT, I can click on new KOT. If I want to transfer this KOT, suppose there are 10 guests and they are sitting on a 2 different table, but only one table is going to pay the bill. So you can transfer it by clicking on transfer. I need to select the table. I need to select the KOT. I want to transfer order, item or a quantity transfer. I can do that. Okay, so my KOT will be transferred on another table. And suppose the guest has finished their order and we want to make a receipt, so you just click on receipt, right? And if I want to cancel the KOT, I can do that from here, void. I just need to go to the main screen, to the transaction KOT. You can click select the KOT number, click on void. I need to type the reason, finish. So my KOT will be voided. So my table will be clear now. And if I want to make a bill of that guest KOT, I'll just click on make a receipt. Print and finish. So my receipt will be printed. And now the settlement is pending. So if the waiter takes the receipt to the guest and the guest is paying the amount, I'll click on this. I'll click on settle receipt. So this window will be open. So I want to settle the bill receipt in cash or a city ledger account or a room posting or a gift card. You can have credit card option as well here by selecting this check, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, ATM card. I can select by this. And amount paid is 1530. I'll just click on add. So it is asking me, do you want to print the receipt? If I'll click on yes, so my receipt will be printed. Okay, so this was the dining thing. Now we'll go for the takeaway. In takeaway, there is an option to make a KOT, but usually nobody makes the KOT of the takeaway. So I'll just take the order. If I want to put the guest information here, I just click on this 3 button icon. Can select the table. If I don't want to table, I want just the guest information. I'll just put the guest information and save. And on takeaway, it's just click on settlement, click on add. So it will be showing me
Viren,
yes.
Viren,
Yes.
can you do over that transaction, because I'm interested in seeing the transaction being paid with a card.
So there is an option here. You can select the card here. Card information, card holder
Right.
name, valid till, CVV number, authorized number, and the bank.
So if it is that our customer need this to work with the local banks here, that is an integration as well.
Yes, we do have an integration with that. So you just need to swipe that card. The eZee Burp will be capture all the information and send it to the card information. The payment will be deducted. You just need to enter the amount and the payment will be deducted from the card.
Huh. So is there any way that if it is that I was to run this run the, like for instance, there's what we have a system called a link system. If it is that we to run it independent and just enter it, if it is that we do that, it's going to be entered as a sale.
See, if you have any type of payment gateway, then it will be there will be a SDK of that payment gateway. So it will be integrated with eZee Burp with the help of our technical team. Once it is integrated, it will be done. Like you want to take a payment from that gateway, you can take that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that is at an additional cost.
I think I need to check with that. I don't know about it.
Okay.
Okay. So now there is a delivery option. I need to type suppose some restaurants are there only who takes order for the takeaway or the delivery, right? Only for the delivery they take the orders. So I'll just type the mobile number here, finish. I need to put the guest information. Address, because the order is for the delivery, so I need to type the address. So I can select the zone, south zone, west zone. I can create this in the if you want to charge for the delivery charges, suppose it is not in the range, it is far away from the restaurant, so you can charge that as well. I'll click on continue. So now my order information is there. And select the order of the guest. Click on settlement. The same, I can take the payment by cash, credit card, or if I want to transfer it to the City Ledger account, I can do that by selecting the City Ledger account. So once I select the City Ledger account, it will be showing me the credit limit, amount due, balance limit. I'll click on add. So this receipt will be posted to the particular loyalty card City Ledger account. Okay. Then we have room service. Like some hotels have their in-house restaurant and guest ask for the food or something, beverages or anything in that room. So I can take the order from eZee Burp directly and send it to the room. I'll take the orders. Finish. I can change the room. In which room I want to deliver, I can select from here and finish.
And Viren, if I wanted to merge merge two rooms into one bill.
You want to okay, and go to the receipt. See, this is one room service I have created for 405, right? I'll take another one for 304. I'll go to the receipt. I'll select these two receipts and click on merge receipts. In which receipts you want to, like for which room you want to merge the receipt, so you need to select that particular room. So it will be okay. So
Yeah.
this has been merged to the one receipt.
All right, Viren, let me just ask you a quick question.
Sure.
If you go back to dining,
Yes.
I noticed that you have the three areas,
Three
like the main
rooms.
bar, the pool, and the veranda. Yeah.
Yes.
Now there's a method to add the tables. So for instance, in the main bar, you have 10 tables. If I wanted to add 5 more tables,
Yes.
how do I do that?
You can do that by going to the back office.
Right.
See, you can see here table operation.
Yes.
In back office, you need to select the outlet, go to master, table operation. I have 10 tables, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tables. I'll create new one, B11. Save. Table layout, B11, I'll just add.
So I could line up my tables to suit.
Yes, exactly. I'll just drag this. Okay, so my B11 table is ready. I'll just click on save. I just need to restart my software, so my table will be there.
Remember I told you I worked in a restaurant also, and at that restaurant, hotel and restaurant, that restaurant had a
Can you see table 11?
Yes, I'm seeing, yes.
So I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, one of it.
Okay. Any next question you have?
No, you go ahead. You the room service.
Yes, room service I have showed you how to merge the bill. The same way you can do for the dine-in as well. You want to merge two receipts, you can do that.
Right. If you were to go to a takeaway,
Yes.
and let's just say that I wanted to do a trans count.
Pardon? I'm not getting you.
Let's say that I wanted to do a transaction count
Transaction?
for takeaway. A transaction count.
That there will be a report that how many takeaway. You mean to say
Yeah.
how many takeaway has been ordered for the day, right?
Right. Right.
So we
But
have a
what I
report
also
for
want,
that.
right, but what I also want is that I want to see within 30 days, I want to see on which days the most amount of which particular item sells the most on a particular day within a month period.
We have that also, menu item sales report. In mini report, we have menu item sales report. Shows most sales item first. Right? Show less item first. So
Right.
I just need to select that particular outlet, and I'll just select the dates. Click on report. Can you see? Hello? 5 quantity, 3 quantity, 3 quantity.
Yes, I
3
am
quantity,
seeing.
2.
Yes.
So this way you can fetch the report.
Right. Okay. Okay. Good.
Okay. Any other questions you have?
Proceed. No, not at this time. Let's see what the back office have to offer. I don't know if you just have any questions. Correct.
You were asking me about the option
Melissa?
of we can configure the cache drawer as well here in the Burrp. I hope you are aware of that.
Yeah. I remembered.
Yes. Okay. And the integration you were talking about, POS. Just wait, huh? Integration for credit card. You can go from here option, and there is a integration option available, so you can do that. See, Geo Money we have. This integration will be done from our technical team. Just we'll be sharing you one file that you need to fill it up, that file regarding the integration. The data will be there in that file.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll be sharing you this video on the same email, so you can refer it. And if you have more queries, anything, or your team member have any queries, just they have to visit eZee live chat support.
Okay, sure.
Just by this link ezeetechnosis.com/live chat support. Just select the product Burrp or front desk, the information who is there on the chat support, and start chat. So our agent will be joining the chat support, and if they have any query, they can raise their query and they get the answers. Okay, Ronnie?
Yes, I understand.
So you have any query or questions you can ask? Hello.
No, no question. Okay, right now Melissa has joined us fully, and we will be looking on as to the training for the back office.
Okay, you want me to access the back office, right?
Yes.
So in back office we have a configuration first. There is a property setup, means you need to have the property information here: property name, address, phone number, fax number, reservation number, email address. And here you can, in registration number, you can have the, if you want to print the TIN number or VAT number or CST number or GST number, you can mention it here, so it will be printed on the receipt. And if you want to add the logo, you can click on this icon and add the logo here, which can be printed on the receipt, but only in the Windows template. Okay, and you have,
Right.
you can
Yes.
create new users on clicking by user operation, new. I can select the password. I want to have the access code, so I'll just give access code. Now I need to select the user role, so I'll select the user role: back office manager, front office, cashier, server, like that. You can select. And which outlet I want to give access, I can select this here. If I want to give access to the user, how much percentage they can give discount, maximum, percentage, and amount. Two options they have. Then store, if they want to give the access, they can select the store from here. Privileges, they can select from here. If you have any, you need to search any privileges, you can just type the word and click on icon. So by clicking on that, settle receipt should have the privilege to the cashier, right? Then the reports, which reports cashier can see, that you can give access.
I'm having difficulties with the access control. Can you show that?
Which access control you are asking about?
Okay, so you have different users and different levels,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
right, so
The user role,
I
the
don't
user
want.
role can be configured here. That you can
Right,
configure by
so
yourself.
Right, show me now on the easy Burrp. There's an option there for no sale, but at no sale the drawer opens.
Yes. So you
I do not want that.
you do not want that,
I want
right?
to remove no
Okay.
sale.
So
Yeah,
you just go
I
to
want
user role configuration, cache drawer. Access to cache drawer option is there. હાર્દિકભાઈ નો સેલ હોય તો કેશ ડ્રોવર નહીં ખુલવું જોઈએ એવું કઈ ઓપ્શન છે પ્રિવિલેજ એવો તો કોઈ નથી નો સેલ કેશ ડ્રોવર નહીં ઓપન થવું જોઈએ પણ એ તો નહીં થાય ને the cash drawer opens only when you settle the receipt, right?
I know, I understand that,
Yes.
but in the eZee Burrp,
Yes.
there's an option there that says no sale.
Just 1 second. Let me go through the eZee Burrp.
Yeah.
Should I go to dine-in?
No, let me show you. I'll show you. Go to orders.
Yes.
And there's no sale.
Okay.
Right? They could, if even if they leave that blank and they say finish, the draw opens.
I need to check with that with a technical person. I'll be updating you this on email.
Right. Also, if you go back to orders.
Okay.
Also go back to orders. This cash in, cash out, right? Opens the draw.
Yes. So you don't want that.
No, I don't want that for the
particular user. You don't want that.
Correct.
Fine. I'll just check that option and I'll get back to you on email.
Right.
Right. So user role configuration, you can do it here. The privilege you can give. And the same from the reports. You can give the privilege for the user role, like administrator, general manager, front office manager. The role you can create here. User role you can create from here, and user role configuration you can do it from here. Okay, if you want to change password of some user, so you just need to go to user operation, click on that user, add it, and change the password from here. Right? Then we have a cost center. In cost center there is a store operation. There will be a kitchen store, a central store, a bar store, or a housekeeping store. So you can create that store here. Okay, and you can select that store once you create from here. If you want to access that store directly, just click on store. That store will be here. So store item will be showing you here. Same like a outlet. I told you there, if there is a property who have a multiple outlets, so they can create the multiple outlets by this. And in the outlet you have multiple options like alias you can keep, the name, start date, day close time. By this time only the user can close the day, if the time you select here. The address of the outlet, miscellaneous, other information, discount type, outlet is bar, restaurant.
This is for which operation? The cost center.
This is the outlet operation.
But for the cost center, I'm seeing you on the cost center.
See, this is a discount type. Like what discount type can be given for the particular outlet? Discount before adding tax, discount after adding tax, and its outlet type is bar, restaurant, or others. You can select that. Bifurcate tax on room posting. There are many options. If you can go through this, you will be able to see. And some outlet have some other registration details, so you can put that registration detail here. Okay, and
Okay, but what I'm seeing is that I'm seeing you on the call center.
I'm not on the call center. It's a cost center here. In the it is the option cost center. In that option, you have a store operation and the outlet operation. So you can create a multiple store here. You can create a multiple store here.
Yeah.
You can create a multiple outlet here.
Let me ask you, what is the difference between your store and your outlet?
Store outlet is where the actual process is going on, the ordering and everything. The way I selected here, right? If I log in, it will ask me to select the outlet where the ordering is going on.
Tell me something.
Right?
Why aren't
and store, and let me complete my thing. And store is for that, like you purchase items for the restaurant. It will be not there in the restaurant. It will be there in the store. So inventory consumption. Your question, first question, you were asking me about the inventory, right? How the inventory consumptions will go. So it will be consumptions from the store.
Okay, good, fair enough. But what I'm asking you now is why I'm noticing that you're not closing your, like you've been running for how much days, etc., etc.
It is a sample. It is a sample database. So it is showing like that. But if the live property is there, then they have to do the day close regularly, daily basis, and even the shift also.
All right. Right. So
if the property won't close that day, then they'll be working in the backdated. The software date will not get changed.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Okay.
All right.
So they have to close the day regularly on daily basis, and that setting you can do it from the outlet. You can see day close time. By this time 23:59:59, after that only I'll be able to close the day. Right? Then we have a payment and accounts, like settlement type. We have cash, check, Visa, MasterCard, Discover. You can create new one as well. Third party, if you have anything, you can do that. Okay. And
yes,
if you want to open a cash drawer on particular settlement type, you need to check mark this open cash. So cash drawer will be open. Okay. And the receipt number, general receipt number will be there. For settlement type, you can do that. Then exchange rate, this you can create here, like dollar to your currency, dollar to rupees. I can just add here amount and click on save, so my currency will be saved. Then extra charge category, like suppose someone has a extra charge for something in restaurant, so they can have the extra charge. They can create the extra charge here. Then the account type, like I said, city ledger account. One guest is coming regularly, but the guest payment is done by some company, so you need to create that account here. Account type, then account will be created here. So it will be debited to that particular account, and once in a month or whatever the terms and condition you have with the company, it will be settled here by clicking this payment posting or payment. Then you have multiple vendors for the multiple items, so you can create the vendors as well here. So when you create the GRN from the store to get the item from the vendor, so you can select that vendor here. You can create the no charge account here and the no charge group. You have any query about this eZee Burrp back office questions, so you can directly go through that.
No, well, what I would want to do is that I would want to set up another time for the back office, complete training for the back office, because
Okay,
what has
fine.
happened is that
Fine, no issues.
Ms. Perez had to leave. Yeah, Ms. Perez had to leave, and